Hi, my name is Sylvain and I'm one of the designers here at B-Box for Kids who designed this, our new 360 cup. The 360 cup is special because it allows children to feel closer to their siblings and parents by drinking from a cup that mimics the sort of drinking rim that goes all around. A 360 cup, unlike a straw or spout cup, allows a child to drink anywhere along the 360-degree rim of the cup. The silicone ring on our 360 cup works to prevent spills from coming out of the cup, but allowing a child to drink anywhere along the rim of the cup. In the drinking mode, all you have to do is place the 360 cup in the mouth of your bub, and just the pressure of their bottom lip allows the water to pour out. To use the 360 cup, you can either have it in your drinking mode or you can twist it up into your travel mode. If you want to refill it, simply twist the handles down into your drinking mode, unscrew the lid, fill it with some water, screw the lid back on, and when you're looking to go back out, close the cup and it'll be leak-free. If you want to heat your milk, simply remove the lid and place in the microwave. And when you're ready to clean it, the 360 cup is conveniently cleanable inside of the top rack of your dishwasher, or if you wish to sterilize, it's sterilizer safe. To disassemble your 360 cup, firstly place the handles in drinking mode, unscrew the lid, unscrew the handles back up, and continue to twist until they come off. For the seal, simply grab the seal from the rim and pull down. To reassemble the cup, first start with the lid and the seal, making sure that the arrows on the lid and the seal both point upwards. Start with the seal on the bottom and push up all the way around the bottom of the seal until the seal is all the way up, and then simply push around the seal to make sure that it fits snug around the top of the rim. For the handles, make sure that the grooves on the inside of the handles line up with the bumps on the outside of the cup. Doesn't matter which combination, and simply twist anti-clockwise until the handles come down. Take the lid, put it on the top, screw it on, and if you want to go, twist them up, lock and go, and your cup is in travel mode. Support your bub to make the transition from bottle to cup with our 360 cup. It's independent drinking with a twist.